So, hey and welcome from me. As you can obviously see, I'm an astronaut, so ta-da. And here's my beautiful rocket. And I'm so excited because I've got very, very good news, because I'm going to space. And I'm so happy about it.
Wait.
What?
You cannot fly to space now. You haven't checked everything. You know, I'm the scientist. So obviously, I can tell you that you first have to check everything. So tell me, what do we have to check?
Let me think. Maybe the control lamps.
The control lamps, right. So here we've got our control lamp. Just check if it's okay.
So nothing happens.
Well, that's quite unfortunate.
So it's over, I can't fly to space now, or what?
Well, seems like it. I think maybe we just go home.
The only thing that makes me always happy is eating a pickle.
Well, wait, let me think. I've got an idea. I can build a lamp out of a pickle.
Wait, are you getting completely crazy? How should a pickle be a lamp?
Just wait, and let me show you. So I've taken another pickle because you already ate this one. And here I've got 2 forks. So now I'm going to put the pickle between the 2 forks. Just fix it. Fuck. So now it's fixed. You see, here I've got the voltage source. So now let me plug this into the power socket. So you see, here's the cable. Everything is connected to the power socket.
Okay, so maybe we can make a countdown and then look what's happening, okay?
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's really impressive. We have kind of a lamp now, but how is it working?
Well, tell me, how does a pickle taste?
I think a bit spicy and also very salty.
Salty, right, that's the point. So inside this pickle, there's a lot of salt. Yeah, it's also a little bit smelly because we kind of burned the pickle. So inside the pickle, there's a lot of salt. And what happens when the current flows through the pickle? The electrons that made up the current, they move really, really fast. And they move by the salt. Salt is also called sodium chloride. So there's a lot of sodium in there. And when the current flows by the sodium, the electrons inside the sodium, they get excited. They get moved up to a higher state. We call it an excited state. And when they go back to their ground state, they emit light. They emit the orange light that you just saw.
So it's maybe if I'm drinking an energy drink, I have lots of energy inside me. And to get rid of this energy, I always have to run and jump and move around. So these atoms in this pickle, they send out a light particle instead of moving?
Exactly, because where should they move? They cannot move, they're electrons. What they can do is emit light to get rid of the energy. And that's what we just saw.
Very cool. So can I start now? Are we ready?
Well, we still haven't checked
the communication system.
The communication system. True. So here we've got the communication unit. We just connect it. Just wait. Yeah. So let's see if it's working.
So, okay, I try to speak, but I turn off my microphone.
Well, that's not working.
So, okay, we have a problem.
Yeah, so obviously I think well, you cannot fly today. The communication system is broken. Maybe we look for something that we did wrong. Wait, okay, see, there's a cable going there, but we forgot the cable.
Okay.
There's no cable going back. So, like, there's no circuit.
Okay, I have an idea. But I think I need 3 volunteers, please.
What do you need volunteers for?
Just wait. Okay, you and you and you, please. Just come on stage.
Thank you. Even though just you know, I don't know what she's about to do. So
okay, come here, please. Yeah. And stand in a line between these two. Genau. Exactly. Now you can connect your hands. Yeah, you 3. All right. Yeah, you 2. And then you can touch this pole. You 2. Okay. Now we can try it again. So I turn the microphone off again. Hello? Yes? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, how did you do that? No, I think you cheated. Like, this cannot work. Maybe, okay, let them touch their earlobes. I want to see if this also works. Yes, that's good. I'm sure this won't work.
Test. 1, 2, 3. Test.
No way! No way that this worked.
Okay, big applause for our volunteers, please.
Thank you.
Kann ich wieder hinsetzen? All right.
So, obviously you didn't cheat. But how did you do this?
I can explain it. As you maybe know, the human body consists to around 60% of water and also some salt. And as you maybe know, water is a very good conductor. So if we don't have a connection here, we don't have a full current circle. But if humans stand between these poles, the current can flow through them. And so my sound signal is transported to the loudspeaker. So humans can help to make music.
Well, since everything is working now, I think you can fly.
Start.
Get the rocket engine.
Perfect. But I think we need some safety things.
Yes, probably. Well, good I have you.
Okay, so I really forgot how big this engine is. Maybe you can explain what's happening, because I'm a bit scared.
Well, it's not that scary. Just believe me. You see, let me first open this. So in the bottom of the engine, we have the tank. So just open the tank, please.
All right.
So I see you already got the fuel. This is our fuel tank. We have some cotton in here to leave the fuel safe inside. And maybe you can just fill the fuel?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Yes, that's good. I like this. So now we have the fuel inside our tank. I think maybe you just light it. Good. So let me close the engine. So now we have a fire. The fire heats the air above the fire. So as you know, hot air rises. So the hot air rises in the middle of the cylinder. So new air has to come from the outside into the cylinder. So in a minute, I will turn the cylinder. And when I turn it, the air starts spinning because this grid grabs the air and lets it spin. So as the air moves inward, because of conservation of angular momentum, the air has to spin faster and faster. It's the same with the ballerina. She has her arms stretched far apart from her body and turns. And as she moves her arms inwards, she turns faster. The same is happening to the air inside the cylinder. So let's see what happens when we start our engine.
Okay, I'm ready, so we can make a countdown again, and then starts engine.
So go into your rocket.
3, 2, 1, go.
So, thank you very much for your attention.
What's wrong? Okay.